Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A72 and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We will check how this feature works on the smartphone, if it is fast, or if it is slow, and if it is reliable. So let's try. I will make the first attempt to see whether I'm sitting in a good position. Let's try another time. Yeah. So right now we can start the test. So let's make like 5 tries. So as you can see, the good thing is that this face lock biometric protection works every time. I can say that it's even fast, right? Maybe it's not that fast like in the S21 or S21 Plus or Ultra, but still it works really smooth. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.